Okay, before the garlic browns, you're going to want to add lemon juice and stir that in. And then you're going to want to add your broccoli. And try and make sure that you've incorporated everything. Once the juice starts to go down, you're going to add salt. I'm going to add garlic salt to further add the garlic flavor. And you can add about a teaspoon. I'm just going to drizzle it all over the top. And then we're going to let that juice reduce to about 1/3. We want to save some of the juice to pour over the broccoli, but we don't want the big lemon flavor over all of it. And you want to try and move it around so that the flavor incorporates into the florets themselves.